Hello there. So I'm driving around Wolverton, which is a little railway town in Milton Keynes. There's lots of terrace roads on this one, which is a typical old town. Use the sort of thing you get around the UK, and there's loads of parked cars. So we're going to be meeting lots of situations where there's parked cars, looking right down the road. So what you want to be doing is going slow on the speeds, looking past the cars that are in front of you, looking, is it safe to pull out? If it's not safe to pull out, then you're kind of giving way, you know. And you're also looking for cars that are coming the other way. Are there pulling points for them that they can do? So let's get on with this and see how we get on. So there's a little mini crossroads here we're going to cross over. So it's a bit of a closed junction, so I'm stopping and looking. And a bit of gas, I'm in first gear, holding the clutch very low and just trickling out, not rushing because I can't see. Got a bend to the left, parked car on the right, looking beyond the bend. I'm using my body more, moving around. I'm not kind of sat in the seat all the time. Loads of parked cars. Now sometimes you can go down these roads and it can be clear and things go your way. Other times it can't be clear. There's a silver car in the distance coming towards me, so I'm checking what's going on. There's a gap on my left, so I'm bringing myself in. There's a red car behind the silver car coming, so we're going to pass each other here. So I'm just going to slow down, let the silver car get past me. The red car's turning, checking my mirror. Wasn't enough space to kind of shoot out then. And when you're driving down here on these sort of roads, you're always kind of aware of the space you've got. Is it a narrow gap can you get through? Is it too narrow? Do I have to slow down and give way? Is the cars on the left? Is the cars on the right? Where there's gaps in between? So when I'm going down here now, there's a bend to the left at the end of the road I can see, and before it is a nice big gap before the grey car. So if I commit myself now and a car comes around the corner, I've got a space on the left, just after the red car there. But I'm not accelerating hard, I'm coming in a bit just in case the car comes around the corner. And it bends to the left, like I said, so I'm covering my brake and taking my time. Now if I was going fast there, not paying attention to the bend, and that taxi driver cut the corner, it'll be dangerous. So slowing down helps things, gives you more time to work things out. There's a mini roundabout and I'm going to be doing a left turn. Now the thing about these roads is 1 minute it's clear and the next minute it's crowded. So we've got another road and there's speed bumps, buses on it, so there must be a bus lane to use. And I'm looking beyond the first bus, checking my right mirror. There's a gap after the bus, so I could use the gap if I need to. There's a parcel delivery guy there just near the roundabout, so I'm checking my mirrors come back out, just being a bit careful with the speed, and then covering the brake for the right for the roundabout. It's definitely clear, I'm off. Loads of parked cars ahead of me with a car coming through, so I'm just going to slow down, letting go. There's a van behind him as well. Give myself space from this car in front of me so it's easier. The van pulled in, checking my mirror, and I'm pulling out. And if it changed, there's a space on the right for the car coming towards me. Now a postal van's just pulled out in the distance, so I'm just going to check what's going on here. And he's got a crossroads just before him, so he's slowing down for the crossroads. I could just see the give way sign on the left, and that's why looking ahead helps you. If I didn't realise that give way sign was there, I might be slowing down give way. So I'm going to cross over this crossroads, so I'm going to slow down and check. A little bit of a closed junction, and I'm in first gear with a little bit of gas, a little bit of biting point, and just checking that it's safe. That's it. And then we're going to be going left at this crossroads also, so I'm checking my mirrors, signalling left, slowing down, same sort of thing. That's why you're slowing down to stop. You can't see till you get there, so you're just playing it safe. Now I'm in first gear, I'm putting some gas on and a little bit of clutch again. I'm just bringing myself around slowly just to see what's going on. Now that's why you go slow. Now I've turned, there's a car coming down the road, so I've straightened my wheels up. I'm I'm going to put my handbrake on because I'm on a hill here, and just wait. And there's a car in the distance. Now, he wants to, where does he want to go there? Oh, he's reversing in, that's what he wants to do. I wasn't too sure then whether he's actually going to go past me in turn. But he's reversing in, and there's a car coming down the road, so I'm just playing it safe. And this is what I'm saying. Say you've got a deck of cards, and I'm playing the safe card all the time here. I'm waiting for the gap. Because there's a long terrace road, lots of parked cars. I can't see that far ahead of me. Well, I can see, but I can't see what the gaps are that far. And I'm checking my mirror and pulling out. At this point, I'm committing myself. And now I'm out, I can see a bit more. I can see there's a gap on the left, probably halfway up by the Chow crossing sign. That's why, because there's a junction there. But beyond it, there's a car coming down. So I'm just going to slow down here and just let him get past here. So I'm letting him get into the space on the right. See? And then we're going to carry on going. Where if it would have gone further forward, it could have been a bit more dangerous. So with driving on roads like this, you just got to be careful. I'm in second gear, doing about 18 miles an hour. That's why you got to be careful. People just walk behind vans. You expect it. That woman crossing the road. It's a bit like when you do your hazard perception clips. And I'm going left here. So I'm slowing down for the turn. It's a little tight one. I'm looking down the road, bringing it round. And then we're going to pull over on the left, just past the white van. So I'm checking, signalling, because there's people there, slowing myself down and stopping. So I've done a little circuit then. So and I was doing lots of meeting situations, looking at the road, using the first gear at junctions and just using a bit of gas, a bit of clutch, and just trickling out slowly and being careful and looking where the oncoming car can go. So a good example then was that silver car coming down the road. If I went forward, it'd be difficult for him to go anywhere, so I just held back, let him go past the cars. He came back to his side road. It was easy for me. Okay, so I hope this quick video on driving down a busy side road helps. If it does, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, click on subscribe. Take care. Bye.